Hey everyone, welcome to this Hr One tutorial where I'll give you in a depth overview of its features and how it helps with HR and payroll management. Hr One is a comprehensive HR software designed to streamline payroll processing, employee management, attendance tracking, and compliance all in one place. Whether you're handling salaries, tracking work hours, or generating reports, Hr One offers powerful automation tools to make HR tasks easier and more efficient. So let's get started. Now, Hr One offers a range of subscription plans designed to cater to business of varying sizes and requirements. Now, their basic plan price is 85 rupees per user per month. Now, this includes core HR functionalities, time and attendance management, payroll processing, mobile app access, reports and dashboards, geotagging or fencing, selfie attendance, and offline attendance capabilities. Now for the professional plan, we have the price for 115 rupees per user per month. Now the feature includes all the features and basic plan, plus advanced onboarding, induction processes, employee confirmation tracking, transfer management, separation handling, digital acknowledgement of letters, and policies. Now for their enterprise plan, the price is for custom pricing, which is you need to contact the Hr One for details. Now for the features, it encompasses all features from the professional plan along with performance management tools, employee engagement modules, help desk support systems, expense management solutions, recruitment management, and asset management capabilities. Now to get started, just click the Get Free Trial at the top right corner. And here you need to enter your work email, your phone number, and then the employee size and click the Get Started button. After that, you need to enter the name of your company and the city where you're in, and then after that, click on Submit button. After that, this message will pop up, and Hr One requires a scheduled demo before providing full access because it is a comprehensive HR and payroll management system tailored to different business needs. Here's why they following this approach. Now, Hr One offers various modules and businesses have different requirements. A demo helps them understand which features suit to your business. And since it includes HR, payroll, performance management, and compliance tools, a walkthrough ensures users fully understand how to use the software. Now, they provide different pricing models depending on the company size and needs. Now, the demo allows them to recommend the right plan. Also, like many enterprise level AAS products, Hr One uses demos as a part of their sales process to showcase the software's value before purchase. Now, let's talk about why you should use the Hr One. Now, Hr One is all-in-one HRMS or Human Resource Management System that helps businesses manage employee records, payroll, attendance, performance, and more. Now, it's widely used in startups, small businesses, and large enterprises to simplify HR processes and ensure compliance. Hr One stands out because of its user-friendly interface, automation capabilities, and mobile accessibility. Whether you're handling payroll, tracking attendance, or managing benefits, this software saves time and ensures everything runs smoothly. Now, these are the features of the Hr One. First, we have the HRIS or the Human Resource Information System that store and manage employee data efficiently. Now we also have the payroll management that automates salary calculations, tax deductions, and pay slips, and we also have for time and attendance that tracks employee work hours, shifts, and overtime with geo-tagging and selfie attendance. Next, we have the performance management that helps businesses set goals, view or review employee performance, and provide structured feedback. And for the recruitment and onboarding, it simplifies the hiring process from job posting to employee induction. Now, for the employee engagement and survey, we also have that allows businesses to capture feedback and improve workplace culture. For the expense and asset management, we also have them to help track businesses' expenses and company assets assigned to employees. Now, HR One also offers a mobile app, making HR management even more accessible for employees and HR teams on the go. So the app is designed to handle essential HR functions right from your smartphone, ensuring seamless operations anytime and anywhere. Now, here are the features of their app. First is the attendance and leave management, where employees can mark attendance with geo-tagging, request leaves, and check leave balances. Next is users can view salary details, download payslips, and track tax deductions easily. Managers can also approve leave requests, expenses, and other HR workflows directly from their mobile devices. It also provides quick access to employee details for seamless communication, and employees can submit expenses by uploading receipts, and managers can approve reimbursements instantly. And we also have the stay updated notifications, because with company announcements, you can stay updated, and real-time alerts on approvals, leaves, and payroll. And that wraps up our HR One tutorial. I hope this guide gave you a clear understanding of how HR One simplifies HR and payroll management, whether you're tracking employee attendance, processing payroll, managing recruitment, or handling performance evaluations. HR One is a powerful tool designed to help businesses of all sizes streamline their HR operations while ensuring compliance and efficiency. Its automation features, mobile accessibility, and user-friendly interface make it a great solution for companies looking to save time and reduce manual work. If you're considering HR One for your business, I highly recommend scheduling a demo with their team. Since full access requires a demo, this will give you a hands-on look at how the platform can be customized to fit your needs. Plus, their support team can answer any specific questions you may have about implementation and features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials on business software. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.